Are you looking for an affordable way to run up to 70% of the swish jobs that do not require rotary guide bushing or ground stock complete in one operation? You have found it in the 7-axis 27-tool Swiss-style GENTURN 36CS. It has a 1-inch 3/8 bar capacity, and the 27 tools have 11 driven tools for side work and in work. The 6,000 RPM spindle on the main and sub gives you the RPM for small diameter work. Full Y and C axis on main spindle and a full C axis on the sub spindle gives you full live tool milling and drilling on the side or the end of your part. The 8,000-pound meionite casting reduces thermal growth and provides an extremely stable platform for the tool to perform, reducing tool wear. With the combination of turning, fixed ID, and driven tools, you are well equipped to complete your job in one operation. Please use the contact information on the screen to get more information on the GENTURN 36CS.